Hello viewers, welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see painted beautiful stools designs. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. To have a bar stool is great. To have one that was lovingly painted by hand is a nice way to show you appreciate and respect the effort put in by the painter and that it will be an artistic addition to your home. These are attractive, sturdy, and will be a nice way to show a different, more cultured side of yourself and your style. See collection for more. Add on a whim when spicing your current home decor up. Take a brush and some colorful paint and make ordinary saddle seat bar stools completely unique. These variegated wooden stools have been hand painted. These hand painted bar tools will enhance everyone who enjoys rustic boho climate, beautiful flower motif enhanced with the multiplicity of shapes and colors, and ideal propositions for your kitchen or veranda. Beautiful country style stool with a mid-height wooden frame painted in white. It has round both legs with tapered ends and 8 stretchers. Its round seat is white painted and featuring a printed enduring colorful heron and floral pattern. Hand painted bar stool with a sunflower pattern on its round seat. This backless stool features a solid wooden construction with durable legs equipped with additional horizontal supports and straight lines. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your stool with painting. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.